How to add music to your Instagram profile. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can add music to your Instagram profile. So adding music to your Instagram profile is fairly very easy. Just simply follow these easy steps and you will be there in no time. So let me show you how you can do that. First, tap and launch your Instagram application and you will be led to the home page of your Instagram application. Now within this particular page you will need to click onto your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner, and this will lead you to your profile page. Now within your profile page, over your profile picture, you will see this cloud message that says share a note. So simply click here, and then from here, instead of writing a note, you can simply click onto this music option and then search for that particular music that you would like. You can also choose to link your Spotify and share your music preferences here, but if you want to add a song from the Instagram, you can simply choose that particular song and then click onto this arrow icon. Now from here you will need to specify that particular duration of the song that you want to add, and once you are done with this, you can also choose to define the duration of the song as well, but it is not changing. So after specifying the particular time period or the timestamps of this song, you can click onto this done option and then click onto this share button, and now you can see that the music has been successfully added to your Instagram profile. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.